Today I'm going to show you how I moisturize my dry natural hair. So I'm going. Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the love you've been showing me. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time here, you are so much welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button for more of my hair care tips. My name is Ophel Nasab, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can moisturize your dry natural hair using just 3 products. That is a Cantu leave-in conditioner, Cantu styling gel, and my DIY hair growth cream. Please, if you haven't seen the video on how I made the DIY hair growth cream, you can check it. There is a link in the description box. This hair growth cream helps your hair to grow. You can use it as a moisturizer, and you can use it to twist your hair, twist out, flat twist out, everything. You can also use it as an everyday hair cream. So just stay tuned and enjoy the process. Don't forget to get your spray bottle with water. So before you start, you will have to spray some water on the section of hair you are working with that moment. Do not wet the hair with the water, just make it moist, and finger detangle to make sure the hair is free from knots. So when I'm done with finger detangling and I'm so sure it's free from knots, I take some small amounts of my DIY cream and rub it in my hair. I then follow it with the Cantu leave-in conditioner and the Cantu styling gel. But please make sure you're not using too much product on a section of hair. The product should be in small amounts. Lastly, when you're done with applying all 3 products, you will have to twist the hair down and move to another section of hair to work with. So this is the process you're going to follow till you're done with everything. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to be a part of the family to get more tips on how to care for your natural hair and how to maintain a healthy natural hair. I've recently cut my long and huge natural hair to start a hair growth challenge. So if you really want to grow your hair, kindly join this challenge and let's grow our hair, rock it together. If you haven't come across with a video where I cut my hair, there is a link to that in the description box. You can check it out. So when you're done, you can wear your hair bonnet or wrap a scarf around it and style it the next morning. I'm done with my hair. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button to get more tips on how to care for your hair.